And Mayor Scott releases his own commission legal review, contradicting the review from City State's Attorney Ivan Bates, backing his decision to cut some ties with the Mayor's Office of Neighborhood Safety and Engagement, MONSE. The review ordered by Mayor Scott claims that Bates' concerns about transparency are, quote, misplaced, and now Bates could be gearing up for legal action. Fox 45's Keith Daniels takes us through the conflicting reviews and the ongoing tension between Scott and Bates. Keith.
Well, Maxine, the latest back and forth between the mayor and the city state's attorney involves one of the mayor's signature crime-fighting tools, and tonight, his opposition against the city's top prosecutor. Pushback at Baltimore City Hall Monday with the release of Mayor Brandon Scott's commissioned outside legal opinion, an analysis of the Baltimore City State's Attorney's Office's decision to terminate its partnership with the Mayor's Office of Neighborhood Safety and Engagement, or MONSE, after concerns over information sharing. In short, according to the Mayor's Office opinion from former Assistant State's Attorney Tara Barnes, City State's Attorney Ivan Bates' decision to terminate that partnership with the city's flagship anti-violence program is, quote, neither legally required nor factually justified. The latest disagreement between the Mayor's Office and State's Attorney's Office now potentially headed to court, with Bates in a written response early Monday saying, quote, sounds like I will see the mayor in court. Later, a spokesperson for Bates in a statement to Fox 45 News clarifying, saying the state's attorney's office, quote, has no plans to sue the city, but that the assumption is the matter will end up playing out in court. Legal analyst and defense attorney Jeremy Eldridge.
I do not agree with her interpretation of the law.
Weighing in on the latest developments and why he disagrees with the mayor's office opinion.
Because I think that, number one, it goes against transparency and goes against public policy. And secondly, I think it's inconsistent with the Maryland rules regarding discovery. Don't we, from a public policy perspective, want the state's attorney's office to err on the side of caution and to say that to do something undesirable, reopen convictions potentially?
The mayor's office opinion comes less than 2 weeks after Bates released his outside legal review he had solicited that backed his decision to cut ties with MONSE, finding in part that certain information kept by MONSE would be required to be disclosed to defense attorneys. But no, so says Barnes, regarding disclosure obligations, saying, unlike police, whose work must be turned over, there are no indicators that MONSE functions as an agent for the state's attorney's office.
What's so troubling about the debate between the mayor's office and the office of the state's attorney for Baltimore City is the fact that the mayor's office is essentially arguing against transparency. Ivan's office is simply trying to get the information that is necessary to make sure that criminal defendants get their due process, and the mayor's office doesn't seem to care, frankly.
Well, Bates' concerns are also shared by the public defender's office and the city's inspector general, who say MONSE is keeping its work behind closed doors. We're live tonight. Keith Daniels, Fox 45 News.
Hi, I'm Maxine Stryker. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and check out Fox Baltimore on social media to find more stories like this.